Hello, brilliant minds. Welcome to the Kuzuba Mirror, where growth is more than age. It's about reading, thinking, and living smart. I'm Kuzuba Diana, here to guide you through 10 powerful reasons that will sharpen your mind and change your perspective on life. Get ready to laugh, reflect, and grow. Reason 1. Shifting thoughts before action. Here, I want to tell you some story. Ever tried to tell your cat it's time to leave the couch? Yeah. Thought first, action later. Even cat know it's a work better. Change your thoughts before acting. Your mindset shapes your outcomes. Every action begin in your mind. Controlling your thoughts help you make smarter decisions. Life responds to your mindset, not your heart. Reason 2. Embrace your imperfections. Some story here. Tried cooking like a chef, ended up with a pasta grade to the ceiling. Accept yourself as you are. Flaws are part of growth. Self-acceptance sparks confidence and clarity. Perfection is empty, growth is real. Reason 3. Learn something every day. I attempted juggling with eggs. That is story. Yes. I attempted juggling with eggs. Breakfast ended up on the floor. Small daily knowledge breeds big wisdom. Learning isn't about age. It's about curiosity and persistence. Every day is an opportunity to grow mentally. Reason 4. Practice gratitude daily. The story is, thanked my fridge this morning, yes, for keeping the chocolate safe. Gratitude shifts focus from scarcity to abundance. Appreciating what you have fuels positivity and smarter thinking. Gratitude is a mindset, not a habit. Reason 5. Small sacrifice, big gains. The story is, Skyped Netflix for one night and finished a book. Who knew books could fight boredom so well? Little sacrifices today create a big opportunity tomorrow. Growth is intentional. Choice more than convenience. Discipline is smaller things shapes major results. Reason 6. Listening before you speak. I interrupted a friend. They were describing the movie plot twist I already knew. Understanding begins with a listening. Wisdom grows when you absorb before reacting. Listening is smarter than speaking fast. Reason 7. Separate emotions from decisions. The story now is about a lamp because it was cute. Regret healed when it didn't fit anywhere. Decision guided by clarity, not emotions. Lead to better outcomes. Emotional control gives us perspectives and smarter choice. Calm judgment-based reactive actions. Reason 8. Daily micro progress. Story is that trade running 5 minutes ended up counting saving tires. Okay, small step compound into massive change. Consistency over intensity glow, long-term result. Tiny daily effort make a big difference. Reason 9. Choose a friend and thought wisely. The story is every laughed at a joke you didn't get, but because everyone else did. Peer pressure on thought too. Your environment shapes your mind. Surround yourself with the people and ideas that elevate you. Growth is contagious when you choose wisdom. The last reason action is the proof of growth. The story now I can tell you is planned a 3 hour for study and up baking cookies. At least I needed patience. Yes. Just to plan, like to take 3 hours just to study. After you want to read how to know, you want to read how to know to cook it, the cookies. Just cookies. Yes, at least. So trust alone don't change your life. Action prove growth. Wisdom without execution is a wasted potential. Transform your trust into this to grow effectively. Life is dance, and learning and growing is the rhythm. Choose wisdom. Thank you for joining me on this journey in growing in thought. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and comment. Support more reasons that feed your mind and heart. Remember, growing in thought beats growing in age. This is Kuzuba Diana signing off from the Kuzuba Mirror, shaping mind to think bigger, live smarter, and prepare for a brighter future. So, hano rero reka tuvuge mu Kinyarwanda kugira ngo n'abandi twese tuze kujyana kuri the Kuzuba Mirror. Jewe muri kumva ni Kuzuba Diana, aha ni igihe twita ngo gukora mu bitekerezo. Hano tuhatanga inyigisho 10 zo gukora mu bitekerezo. Inyigisho ya mbere ni uguhindura ibitekerezo mbere yo gukora. Aha rero baratse kukubwira ngo ibyo yimvamo mbere y'ibikorwa bigena icyo uzageraho. Hanyuma aha twavuze ku nyigisho ya kabiri aho twavuze ngo kwiyakira no kwemera intege nke zawe. Aha rero ni ukwemera ko utari intungane cyane. Kwemera ko utari intungane bituma ukora mu bitekerezo no mu mutima. Wenda kugira ngo mutaza gusiganwa hano ku mpamvu ya mbere twatanze agakuru gatoya turi kuvuga nyine ko oya twatanze ahubwo ubusobanuro butoya mu gihe cy'Icyongereza turimo turavuga nyine ko ugomba kwanza ugahindura ibyo ukora mbere y'uko hano twatuba rero ko ugomba kwanza ugahindura ibintu ukanza ukabitekerezaho kuko ntabwo ukora ngo ubone gutekereza ahubwo utekereza ukabona gukora. Icya kabiri rero twatanze ku rugero ko turi kuvuga ngo kwiyakira no kwemera intege nke zawe. Hagiye ushobora gufata like nk'amakaroni ukayangiza utaruzi ko ari kurya. Hanyuma ku gatatu twavuze ngo kwiga buri munsi. Kwiga buri munsi ni ikintu gishyashya cyatuma ubwenge bwawe burushaho gukura. Ahangaha rero kugira ngo tuze kugendana hari naho twase dutanga urugero turi kuvuga ngo hari ukuntu ukina n'amagi uzi ngo ugiye gukora umureti bikarangira yose yataye ku makaro ya n'urugero twatanze nyine kugira ngo just byumvikane. Rero kwiga buri munsi nyine ukina n'amagi bwa mbere urayamena ariko bwa kabiri ntabwo yamena. Icya kane rero no kugira ngo ni ugushimira buri munsi. Gushima ibyo ufite bituma wumva unezerewe kandi ukura mu bitekerezo. Icya gatanu ni ukwigomwa gato kugira ngo utere imbere. Gutanga akanya ku bintu by'ingenzi kuruta ibidafite akamaro bituma ukura vuba. Icya gatandatu kumva abandi mbere yo kuvuga. Kumenya gutega amatwi bituma utekereza neza kandi ukagira ubwenge bwo mu bintu byose ukora. Ikintu cya karindwi twavuze ko gutandukanya amarangamutima n'ibyemezo. Ibitekerezo bitandukanye n'amarangamutima bigufasha gufata ibyemezo byiza. Icya munani twavuze ngo gukora intambwe ntoya buri munsi. Intambwe ntoya zubaka imyitwarire myiza n'ubwenge mu gihe kirekire. Hanyuma icya cyenda twavuze ko guhitamo inshuti n'ibitekerezo byawe neza. Abantu n'ibitekerezo ukorana nabyo bigira ingaruka ku buryo wiyubaka. Icya cumi n'icyo cya nyuma ni ugukora ibikorwa bisaba ko ukura. Gukora ibikorwa bifatika bishimangira ko ibyo wiga bitari amagambo gusa ahubwo biza no mu bikorwa. Ubuzima ni umucyo kandi kwiga no gukura ni ibitekerezo n'umudiho. Hitamo neza kandi mwishimire mu bitekerezo byanyu, mu byo mukora no mu byo muzageraho. hanyuma rero niba wishimiye ibyo twavuze aha ngaha, kora subscribe, ukore share na like, utange na comment kugira ngo dukomeze twige kandi dukure, hanyuma dutegure ejo hazaza heza. Gukora mu bitekerezo biruta gukora mu myaka. Ndi Kuzuba Diana, aha rero ni mu rugo rwa Kuzuba Miro, tubigisha gutekereza, gukora no gutegura ejo hazaza heza.